Hop into the 2018 Nissan Versa Note. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this handy Nissan Versa Note, the four-door hatchback that puts practicality at center stage. Convenient and economical, this value-oriented subcompact gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel covers, power steering. Economy is a beautiful thing in this comfortable Versa Note. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.